Hey guys and gals, I've got another unboxing video for you. This here is a Shark Professional Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum Cleaner. I picked this up on the Black Friday deals. I picked it up for 99 bucks, and usually these run around 200. So that's a great deal. I mean, there's these Shark vacuum cleaners, you know, they say they out pick up the Dysons, and I guess I'm going to be finding out. I mean, I've been wanting one of these for a long time. My old vacuum cleaner is about ready to be put into the, oh, you know, given away, gotten rid of, whatever. It's just seen its better days. Well, anyways, we're going to open this up and see what's inside. Alrighty, I got this laid down. This is in a shipping box. We ordered this one. And I'm going to see if I can get it opened up here. I got my trusty old box cutter, razor knife, whatever you want to call it, but it does a good job on stuff like this. So give it a cut. Try not to damage something inside. Let's see here. Man, they really taped this thing up. I mean, it is taped. Let's see if we can get this done. Great. That didn't go the right direction. Okay, we're gonna give it a cut here. Okay, we're on the right track. Cut it across here. Oh man. Okay. Let's see what we can get down here. Give her an opening there. Yeah, I had a feeling there would be a box inside. This is the store box here. Let's hold on just a second. I'll get this out. Okay, yeah, this is got out the box. So I got the main box out. Let's see. And I mean, this thing here was a task getting out with two-handed. I wouldn't even try to do it one-handed. But anyways, we got this is one that's got the double brush. It, you know, it got one that the hair wrap brush. It takes the hair off the other wheel and keeps it from wrapping around it. I have a woman in the house who, you know, and she has long hair, and you know how that goes. But anyways, we're gonna open this bad boy up and have a look inside. Yeah, I thought I'd read off the box here and give you an idea of what it is. As you can see, it's a hair wrap, standard. Okay, no hair. This one. The vacuum that deeps clean, now cleans itself. Shark Professional Swivel Pet. More suction and lighter via the Bissell Powerlifter Swivel Rewind Pet. It's got the extendable hose. This is not the lift away, but it's got everything else but the lift away part. I mean, it's self-cleaning brush roll for pet hair and long hair. Let's see if there's anything over here. Looks about the same. Oh, we got some stuff on the back though. Got powerful shark suction, pulls in hair and debris. Center channel design detects hair and debris, or directs hair and debris to the center of the brush roll. Deep clean. Hair is sucked up into the dust cup, leaving the brush roll ready to deep clean. The extendable thing here, hose, it reaches up to 11 feet. Anti-allergen, you know, captures and traps over 99.9% of dust and allergens. Okay, we're gonna open her up. Okay, looking inside here, we can see the hose is right on top, and this is the owner's manual. Let me get that glare off, and we're gonna unpack it, see if we can. Comes out the brush, the hose, there's an attachment here, crevice tool they call it, and There's part of the hose. Let's see what else we got. Well, let's see if we can keep that up. It's not going to work. Okay. Here's the other part of the crevice. The hose. Yeah, it's pretty long. It feels kind of light. It seems to be well made, but lightweight. And move this out of the way. Alrighty, got the packing material here, and still got one in the box, and got the little plastic bag to cover it with. Oh, it looks really nice. I like the looks of it. Yeah, it looks really nice. Corvette red almost. Let me see what we can do here. Okay, I got the plastic wrap off of it, but look how nice this thing looks. It's just a vacuum cleaner, but it looks really nice for a vacuum cleaner. It's got the brush rolls down here. And then let me see if I can get this laid down for you. Okay. Well, you can't really see it in here, but there's two brushes, I guess, or something that unravels the hair off of that brush. I thought there was two brushes, but let's get a look inside, see if we can see down in there. Don't see anything. Oh yeah, there it is right there. There is something in there anyways. Don't look like another brush. Okay, let me tilt this thing back up. But self-cleaning brush roll. Yeah, it's a good looking vacuum cleaner, and it's really important to me to get something that's really going to get the dirt out of the carpet, and this comes with a lot of good ratings, and I've been keeping up with them for a long time. And back when Dyson was big, Sharp beat them out. There was Consumer Reports and all reported on that. But let me see, how do you assemble this thing? And anyways, you got the buttons on top here. Off, hard floor, or carpet. A little latch button here. This is probably, this is to take the handle off. Let me see if we can get this undone out of the bag. Yeah, this is my work table, my everything table here. I work on computers and my little electronic stuff I like working on. It's just good for anything like that. Makes a great unboxing table also. Let's see if this goes down in here. Oh yeah, it locks right in. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this other part back. Put it on there. Overlook my messy area over here. I got all my tools and lights and everything. Don't want to blind you there. Okay, get this bag off. Okay, got some of this plastic off. Got the handle in, as we've seen. And this is how it looks on down the back side. This right here was around the hose, so took it off and snapped it into place. And alright, this is the part that goes up on top. There's really nothing up there at the moment to hold on to it with, just a handle bar. Okay, so we're gonna move this up and slide this into place, and it just snaps into place. So that's it there. Okay. And then down here, this part will go in like this. And it snaps in. Now when you want to remove this, it's got some triggers on the side. You do tabs, you just squeeze them together, pull it out, and then the hose will go down to this one, and then up into this one. Okay. And friends, we got us a vacuum cleaner. I mean, it even looks like a vacuum cleaner now. Okay, but you swing it on around. You got this attachment here, this crevice hose thing. You bring it up, and I guess you just put this up here, either on this side or this side. I don't see anything else in the box. So let's see, I'll move this around. Now the one thing that I'm not liking about it is it doesn't have the retractable plug here. But it's nothing I can't live with. I mean, it's not that big a deal. But yeah, it seems pretty nice. I mean, I can't wait to give it a try out there and see how it works. And if I'm not satisfied with it, I'll let y'all know, and it'll be back in the store. Because it's, you know, nowadays every dollar counts. You don't want to buy something you're not going to be happy with. And I mean, it's not the Shark brand that I wouldn't be happy with. I really like Shark, and from all I've heard about them, they're a really good vacuum cleaner. So I'm really looking forward to putting it to work and see how it does. It doesn't have the largest tank in the world, but there's some with larger tanks, but I like this. This is a good deal, a good bargain, I believe. I mean, yeah, the Shark Navigator. Shark Navigator Professional. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you got any questions or anything, you can just drop them down there in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. And you know, comments or anything, just drop them down there. And if you don't mind, you know, give me a thumbs up. I'm kind of new at this game, trying to get my channel started, so hope you can pardon the amateur, you know, video shooting, but we'll get better as time goes by. Y'all have a good one. Bye bye.